Your little Aaron Rodgers. How much are the Pokemon packs? When you make a deal, if I buy it all?
Sure.
What do you have in mind? Good morning.
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 Oh, how much is your wagon?
The wagon, 20.
I'll take it.
It works.
I'll take it.
It's good for the
Yeah, I literally was going to buy a wagon today.
No, it works perfectly.
No, I mean, like,
this little thing is like missing the plastic.
Yeah,
that goes in there. I just bought another one, and there's the cover.
Perfect. I will take that.
Yeah.
Does it fold up?
Yeah.
Does it fold?
Yeah, you take this little thing and you go like this.
Ah, perfect, perfect,
and then
perfect.
you put these together and you put this cover on.
Now he's going.
Here, then you put the cover on it.
Awesome,
You know
yeah.
what I mean? That's why
I would
brought the
definitely.
cover in there.
Actually, do you mind if I just throw this in my truck real fast?
Yeah, go
I'll
ahead.
turn right back and buy more stuff from you.
No video games, lots of Legos and cars, Matchbox cars. He's got Nerf guns like this coming out of his ears. And they all pretty much work. Otherwise, the rest of them I
Gotcha.
threw away.
How much are the Legos?
Well, I want to laugh with it because they're expensive. So that whole thing is like 50 bucks.
50 bucks.
Yeah, but these little ones I'll do 20, and they have the instructions in them.
Gotcha.
Isn't that? And there's a whole thing of this too.
Okay.
So if you want to do 25, you can take both of them. But they're really, like, they're expensive.
Are they? Oh wait.
So like all the pieces that make this thing is in here. So I'm OCD.
No, not that one, because that's what that looks like.
Yeah, he already made that, but the instructions are there, and then all the Legos.
Oh, the
all
Legos all mixed in. Gotcha.
Mixed in. But yeah, he's made that before. But here's the top of that.
Okay.
And that one has the same thing too. There's more little pieces than bigger ones, so it's not for a little kid.
Yeah, no, I know that.
Anytime you find loose Legos at a yard sale, what you want to look for is the minifigs. There's a lot of minifigs in there, well-known minifigs like Marvel, Star Wars, Harry Potter. Pick it up because you can sell those minifigs separate and then sell all the rest of the Legos in giant lots. So that's what I'm kind of looking through here. But at $50, it was just too expensive, so I decided to pass.
In Florida with these people, those are keyboards, like those.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and he's selling. I have cameras that are brand new. Those the ones that fit into like an outlet.
You have a bag here.
Yes, I do. And then this is like if you have a little kid. You
Oh,
always use that too
it's
for
cool.
free. It's a,
Okay.
yeah, $8.
Oh, this is cute. Your little Aaron Rodgers.
No, I don't have that.
That's cute, little kid jersey.
I know, right? We're big Packer fans.
How much is that? How much is jersey?
I don't know. Give me like $3 for it.
$3 for the jersey.
Oh, he's Rogers.
Yeah,
I
I
don't
know.
care. Do whatever you want. I don't care.
$3, huh? How much is the pillow?
I'm sorry.
The pillow?
2.
It's Minecraft?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's fair.
Buy it for your kids or you resell stuff?
I do resell stuff, but I'm a video game collector first and foremost, so that's why I asked about video games.
Yeah.
I collect video games and I collect action figures. So I'm a grown boy.
Yeah, we don't. The only one he has like these things,
Yeah.
but that was about it. He wanted to keep the Black Panther with a little battery in it and turn it on.
What do you have some for your books?
Well, those are. See how it lights up?
Yeah.
Captain Underpants. Oh, I thought they were all Minecraft.
No, this one's a Minecraft
that's
one.
Dogman.
Most are like Dogman and like Captain Underpants, but the only Minecraft one is that one.
Gotcha. How much were the books?
Huh?
How much are your books?
Give me $2 for that one.
Oh, so that one is.
That one's not as more expensive as these things.
Yeah, I know they can be expensive. I'll give you. I have for the
Like that.
The thing
in
and
the pillow.
yeah, pillow. Perfect.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
you can use the box if you want. Up to you.
Oh,
We have water and.
hey, this.
Oh, okay.
I love your Halloween decorations, by the way. I looked over, I was like, I saw a giant snake. I was like, caught me off guard.
My kid put it there. Isn't that funny?
Yeah, it caught me off guard.
Put that there.
Smaller than the buggy, you know.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Let me get.
behind
Oh,
me.
here it is.
That's pretty cool.
What's this Mario?
I think it was just from when it was like, you know, when
All the bones and stuff. That's neat.
I don't know.
we
What,
had little graveyard things. Most of them blew away.
Yeah.
what'd you have on this?
25 cents.
Okay, here. This is,
Okay.
if you want to count them.
They're all like $1, right?
Yeah.
Okay. No, I trust you.
2,
One
3,
bag?
1, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got 12 in a plush. I think it's, oh, 13. No, wait a minute. Yeah, sorry.
No, that's okay.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 in a plush. Do you guys have the systems at all for sale? Like the Wii systems? And... No.
Next step.
Next sale, okay.
Right, we gotta go and take these steps here.
Do you have change for 50 by any chance? I get, actually here, I got, let me do this. Do you have 2 20s? Might make it easier on you. What is this thing right here?
Oh, it's
shoot
like
for
the,
balls.
yeah, for dogs.
Oh, for dogs?
Yeah, there's the tennis balls in there.
We bought it off of someone
Automatic pet launcher.
months ago, and then we never even used it. It's new. We've never used it.
Really? I'll give you $5 for that.
It's supposed to like shoot
Pet
the
launcher.
tennis ball, and then they catch it. Or do 5, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Pet launcher.
I just was to put tennis balls in there,
Yeah.
like any kind. Do you want a bag?
Oh, how much is it? I didn't even see this. How much does the Wii Fit?
$5.
$5.
I owe you 2 for that.
So I appreciate
Yeah, thank you.
the deals. And this thing is, I don't know what the heck I just bought, but it's going to be fun to find out. Normally I wouldn't recommend picking up a Wii Fit board. They're hard to ship and slow sellers, but I have a local guy that will give me $15 for it, so I pick them up whenever I can. I think I bought some video games from you guys last year.
Yeah, I got like 3 of them out there.
You got 3 out today?
Yeah, the PlayStation ones. And
Okay. For $1 a piece, I'll take them.
Alright. Yeah, I opened a couple other ones like, I don't have the CDs in them.
Check the systems, using the systems. Ninja Gaiden
I
2.
have a
And
Wii 4 that has Avatar in it. I'm like, okay. Well, pick me up today. There's like 15 in each of them.
how much are the Pokemon packs?
I think it's $1.
Got a piece.
There shouldn't be any energy cards in there.
Feel nothing but energy cards. Put one good card on the front, nothing but energy cards. But hey, for $1, who cares at that point?
I think.
I like how they bring back the old school
I
cards.
know, I saw that. Well, I was showing him my old ones upstairs.
Yeah.
He's like, can I have them? I was like, no, please.
All right, $3.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, man. Are you a big comic book guy?
Couple.
Nice. What are you asking on the Funkos?
Just those small ones, $5, and the other ones, maybe $3. I don't know, whatever.
Wait, how much for these ones?
$10.
$10 for these ones?
Yeah.
So on the price of this,
How much for your video game stuff?
You can do $5.
You're the display one
Yeah.
for whatnot. Let me see.
Yeah.
Things that-
Yeah, I got one. When you make a deal, if I buy it all?
Sure.
What do you have in mind? How much you looking?
What you said?
100.
Yeah, it was $100. You take
$100 for everything on.
everything on this table.
Is that cool to get video games too? Or no?
Give me 120. Take everything.
120, take everything. Let me see here. How many pieces we got here? 4, 5, 6,
All
7.
right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14, 42. Nice. How many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17. We'll do 80. 80.
100, take everything. The best you could do.
Yeah. I don't know. These are cool pieces. These big ones.
Those are a little bit more.
Yeah,
too,
a little bit more.
I mean, I'm just.
Yeah, no.
Each of those things probably like 30, 40 bucks.
Yeah. I'll give you $100. You got a box or something, man? Yeah.
You're a collector?
I do collect and I do sell too, so both. I'm a collector first and foremost, though, man. Excuse me, kid.
Same, I collect them too.
Awesome. There's a comic book you want? You can take. What's up? Yeah, the Avengers. Oh, that's a hot toy.
Yes.
Oh, that's hot toys are good, man.
I collect a lot.
Yeah.
I don't want to sell it, but I would.
I know. How much are they asking
About
for?
400 bucks.
What? This huge
How much you asking for it?
No, it's $3.
Give me 200, you can have it, but it's like 400 bucks.
You
can
said
look
it's
it up.
400 bucks. And she thought
Yeah, let me look it up. I've dealt with hot toys in the past.
Yeah.
So here, let me give you $100 for this.
Everything here.
Yeah. Oh, except I didn't get the video games. No, I got everything. I didn't spend the extra. He said 20 extra for that. I didn't buy that. I bought all these though.
But Matthew, where are you?
I saw you looking at comic books. Was there a comic book you want? You can just take one if you want one. Since,
I'm sure.
okay.
Step back. He's taking everything from the table.
Oh.
Yeah. That's kind of yard sales you want, right?
Listen, come in here and take it all even better. I'm moving, so I don't care.
I had that. Was that okay? That was
Yeah, that's fine,
I brought that over. I didn't. That was after. Okay, cool.
You're not taking any of these then?
No. Did you want a comic book?
Yeah, these two.
Good, you can have them.
Do you know how much for?
No, they're free. I'll give them to you. I bought them, so you can have them.
Free is for me, right?
You were looking at the stuff when I was shopping. So, can I see the figure? Real fast? I just want to look it up.
That's what little man.
It's pretty much a new.
Let me see. Yeah, you don't have to open it. Let me just look at the back. Let's see if I can get a better understanding. I'm not familiar with. I mean, there's a lot of hot toys out there.
Yeah.
Yeah, one's brand new, 184 right now, selling for.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll pass on that one then, man. Man, well, hey, man, thanks for the deal, man.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
Say, go get this table.
I got it. It's super light.
Oh, we got comic books for sale here.
I know, I just gave them to him. I bought a.
You can look around. These are mostly like women's clothes.
Okay.
And then I think these are shoes. And then those are girl clothes. I got like some cycling stuff.
How much is a jersey?
25 bucks. 25 bucks. 20.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, I don't know what's. See, it's starting to come off a little bit there. I'm okay. Thank you there.
Hi, Elliot.
And your the Vera Bradley purse is here?
Yeah, this the backpack 10,
10.
5, and this is like a
set
like
together?
A set, yeah. So 25 for
20 for a
this.
set,
So this
okay.
is like a
Yeah, I'm familiar with them.
okay, there you go.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Those transformers are actually like really comfortable.
Yeah, they're cool.
They're like the easiest ones.
Yeah, yeah. How much are they?
Man, but like I was gonna do like 10 for each of the bags.
Oh, okay.
Unless it was marked, unless like
Oh,
you could
I see
buy
now.
all of them. But they're all like the easy, like I think.
Yeah.
Like 3 months.
So you got 3 bags. You have 10, 10, and 5. If I buy them all, how much would you do for all of them?
Can you do like all of them for 20 maybe? Is that okay? Or what do you think? I don't know. Elliot, come on.
Let me see. Come on. Let me see.
I don't know if he's still like emotionally attached.
All right. Well, make sure he's okay. He wants to sell them first.
Well, no, like he's the one that put them together.
Oh,
Like,
gotcha.
We're gonna talk about. Okay, Okay, so he wants to buy them.
I'm not gonna negotiate with. I'll give him.
Oh,
I'll give you the 20.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. I don't like negotiating with kids.
I don't mean to put you on the spot, but like my daughter.
No.
I have like traumatic experiences of trying to sell my daughter shit.
Yeah.
And she was like, "What are you doing?" I'm like, "Oh, okay, thank you." Okay, so he's gonna take them. So he gave you a whole bunch of money. Is that cool?
You cool with that?
What do
Cool,
you
man.
say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. I like the hat.
Ariat makes some really good cowboy boots, and this hat has a crazy pattern on it, so it would have sold really well. Unfortunately, it had some damage to it, so I had to pass. All right, so it was a great day of picking. We were literally in this community sale for hours, so you guys will see a lot more footage of this here going forward. I made an offer to buy the whole table, and I really had no idea if it was a good buy or not. I actually walked away thinking that I made a bad buy. It was about 30 items, so I'm roughly about $3.50 per item. But I ended up finding out later on that Drax figure, action figure, goes for 50 plus bucks. The one Rocket Raccoon 2-pack goes for like 30 bucks to 40 bucks. So then those 2 giant Funko Pops are going to give me 15, 20 bucks a piece. So right there, I made all my money back on those 4 pieces. The rest is profit. It's always fun going picking with my dad. My dad came down to visit. He's the OG picker, hot rod himself, aka Pappa Punching. But we had a great time. Guys, make sure you guys stay to the end because your favorite segment, Picking and Pets, is about to come up here in about a minute. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. It really does help out the channel. We're about 600 subs away from hitting 10,000, which is crazy to even think about. We have some upcoming whatnots this week, so make sure that you click on the link down below. At the end of the month, we're going to do a big giveaway, a free show. Everything's gonna be free and whatnot. That's already bookmarked. So make sure you guys go at least follow that show, get free stuff from us. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.
Well, are you rolling around the grass? Look how dirty you just got. What? Oh, now you want me to roll rub your belly? Hey, Blue. Look how dirty your sister got.